April 16th, 2018. We were at 11:18, getting ready to turn 19. Just had some thunder roll in, saw a crack of lightning, and then the thunder rolled in. Hoping to capture it because the raindrops are starting. I gotta keep my camera covered. Raindrops are coming. Going to get the grapes. See what we got here. Yeah, right there. That's where it happened, right there. I came in because it's going to get wet. Real wet. I believe we're totally zoomed out. Give you a sky view of everything. Alrighty. That's the update for right now. It's incredible. It was just clear and quiet, and all of a sudden the wind just picked up. It's going crazy. Look at that. Unbelievable. And my light's already on. Jeez Louise. Alright everybody. Have a good one. Peace out.